Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I get my everyday flawless foundation tutorial. So I started off with a fresh face, what's for later face, and yeah, it just got so simple and soft. It's just like everyday everyday look to work to whatever. And so I hope you like this tutorial. Can you give it a big thumbs up and yeah, subscribe. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Liquid, I love to go with the ordinary glycolic toner. Is a toner and as well get rid of the dusky cells. So I love to use it to especially this on this first thing. It's going to get rid of excess remaining dead, and as well as take out the dead skin cell. When you have the dead skin cell on your face, it just makes the foundation to sit on the surface. It doesn't allow you to go deeper to the skin. See it now. So going with my brow, I love to start from the tip. I think that everybody has their own unique way of doing the brows. I love to start from the tip. It always gives me a clearance, like the way to move to the front and so the back, and then I move to the front. Okay, just okay, and just tracing my natural brow, just quite so easy to do. But when I get to the front, I'm gonna just shade the strands, the hair strands. Okay, so I just finished the rest here. So I'm gonna go back to with my comb, and I'm gonna so I'm just gonna reinforce. So I'm gonna move to this other side and as well do that side as well. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of more concealer. So I'm gonna use my blending brush I'm gonna use it to blend this quickly. Okay, on my face. Okay, next I'm gonna be using I'm gonna do my brow first. I'm gonna put my brow after that. For my brow, I want it to be very soft, very soft. It's just an everyday facial look, so I'm gonna be fresh, soft. I'm gonna go with my blending brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna pick this shade, this warm brown shade. Okay, I'm gonna be putting this warm yellow here. I've already primed with my concealer, so I'm just gonna buff in that color. So I'm gonna pick another shade. So I'm going with a brown shade, a little brown shade. Okay. So I'm gonna just take this my Sigma and then go with this little bit of red, and then I'm gonna take it on my out corner. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm done with it. The eyeshadow. So I just, like I said, I just want it to be soft and radiant and glowing. So I'm gonna be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation, and I'm gonna be using it today. Shake up a little bit, just 2 pumps, and remaining. And I'm gonna just dot all over. And I'm gonna dot all over. So I'm quickly blending I'm using the Real Technique foundation brush. I just to blend this shade. So when I'm going on my everyday look, I don't actually wear my concealer or whatever, or to contour or to highlight. I don't do that. Okay. Wow, this foundation looks so fresh. So you know, looks so fresh, looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna stand remaining to my neck area. Okay, eyeliner is little eyeliner. Okay, so I'm cleaning. I love to put my concealer on both sides to kind of highlight it. So I'm using the brush to just clean it out, and yeah. So next I'm gonna go for my lips, but you can see how fresh looking and simple this my everyday makeup looks. Okay, so I'm gonna okay, so I'm using my lip gloss and lipstick on. So I decided to go in nude lipstick so that everything can like looks good together. Yeah guys, so the lastly I'm gonna set up this look with my Morphe Setting Mist, and this is a looking so amazing. This is a fresh foundation. Yeah. Hey.